Hi everyone, my name is Afonso. I'm a data engineer here at tb.lx, and today I'm going to be showing you how to run a chatbot in your own machine. So, before we get started with that, let's go over some points. Why would you want to do this? So, tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek are incredibly popular right now, but maybe you can't use them at your work. Maybe you're concerned about some data that you share with them that they are going to misuse, or maybe you don't know exactly how they're going to use this information. And so it's, for some people, for some of you, might be important that you actually keep all of this data in your machine. And so for that, I'm going to teach you how to run a model, an LLM, in your computer, so no information leaves your machine. So it's perfectly safe in terms of data compliance, for example, for those of you who work in companies with very strict rules, or for those of you who actually care about privacy. So I'm going to start by showing you this program called Ollama. This is going to be an extremely simple way of setting up your own language model. So you come to this website called ollama.com. You simply download it for the platform that you wish. It supports all major platforms, so this shouldn't be a problem for any of you. So now that Ollama is downloaded, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it on MacBook. It should be exactly the same for those of you who use Windows and Linux. I'm just going to open it up. And I'm going to move it to the applications. Okay, let's set it up. Click Next. Now I'm going to install the command line. You just simply input your password, you install the command line, and now you are ready to run your first model. After downloading Ollama and installing it, running it is very simple. You come to the Models tab, you pick one of your models here. Again, this is going to depend on the computer that you have. So I would advise you to test a smaller model, so like a 3 billion parameter model, like Llama 3.2, to start, just to make sure that your computer can run it, and then you can try out something more, a little more heavy, I don't know, Llama 3.1 with 8 billion parameters is also a very good choice for a mix between being lightweight enough to run in your machine versus having good enough responses. In this case, I'm going to try the 3.2, so I'm not going to actually copy this, so I'm going to simply run Ollama pool Llama 3.2. So I already downloaded this, so you already see that it took no time because I already did this. It's just checked if the files were in my computer. So, and now to run the model, you simply go Ollama run Llama 3.2, and you're ready to go. So let's see. Do you think it's better to have an electrical truck versus a diesel one? Please be brief in your answer. Your answer. All right, so as you can see, it's answering my question. It responded very fast, specifically this model, which is 3 billion parameters. It's quite a lightweight model, so it runs on most machines quite well. And it's incredibly fast, actually. So next time you need a model, instead of reaching out and going to ChatGPT website or DeepSeek, why not try this? This way, you're assured that you have some privacy in your data, so none of your prompts or things that you input are actually being shared with other people, and you are actually sure that your data is protected and that you are not sharing it with a third party, and nothing leaves your computer. So this is very good for those of you who work in companies with strict compliance rules. It's good for those of you that take privacy seriously. So yeah, and besides this, there's many possibilities in the things that Ollama runs. So after you have this server, it actually serves an API that you can use for other purposes. For example, if you have a code editor like VS Code or something else, you can actually connect to Ollama's API, which is basically the same as the one that OpenAI serves for ChatGPT, and you can use your own local model to offer code completions and everything else that you are able to do with, for example, tools like GitHub Copilot. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions at all about these or more advanced topics related to LLMs, please reach out to me in my LinkedIn. It should be linked below. And yeah, have a nice day. Oh, you're still here. While you're at it, maybe you should subscribe to the channel.